Hello guys, welcome to the 17th session of the API.AI tutorials for beginner. In this session we will see how to integrate our chatbot with the Cortana. There are two ways for this. First is by using the API.AI and another is by using the Microsoft Bot Framework. In this session I will use the Microsoft Bot Framework instead of the API.AI. I am already logged in the Microsoft Bot Framework and open the bot that we are created in the our previous session of integrating with the Skype. Scroll down and click on the Cortana's icon. Edit the details of your bot if you want. I am remaining the same. Note that the invocation name will be used by the Cortana to execute that our chatbot. I am use the my app. Click on the save button. Then click on manage in Cortana dashboard link. You can see that the new skill with the name my app was added here and its status is the deploy to the self. If you want to deploy on the different account, then you need to click on the deploy to group. And write the mail IDs here. Note that this mail ID must be associated with the Microsoft account. And click on the deploy button. It's so prompt to verify the mail ID. For that, copy the link and open in the new tab. And I am going to accept it. Now I am going to open the Cortana. And here we need to say the talk to the invocation name that we are use. I am use the my app, so I am going to say talk to my app.
May I have your permission?
It will ask for the permission. Allow it.
Sorry, but my app isn't responding right now. Try again later.
Let's see the debug information. Here the timeout occur. Previously I am follow the same step and that time I was get the result for that. Maybe something wrong from the Microsoft Boot Framework. You may get the result. Let's see what we are learning in this session. In this session I am use the Microsoft Boot Framework. First of all, we need to add the channel in the Cortana. While adding the channel, we need to add the proper name in the invocation because this name will be used. And open the Cortana dashboard and add the mail ID in which group you want to deploy. Then open the Cortana and say open your app name or the talk with your app name and allow the required permission. Here in my case it was not open, but definitely in your case it will be a work. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Feel free to contact me.